Fume hoods are among the largest energy consumers in a lab. This is a variable air volume, or VAV, fume hood. As the sash opens, the hood automatically increases airflow to maintain a constant face velocity, usually between 60 and 100 feet per minute. Maintaining consistent airflow prevents fugitive emissions. When the sash is closed, the VAV system reduces airflow. Because the opening is smaller, the hood requires less air volume to maintain containment. But even with the sash fully closed, air continues to be drawn through the airfoil to dilute any vapors present in the hood. But here's the issue. Most fume hoods sit idle for long periods of time, often 70% of the time or more. Yet even when they're idle, they continue to exhaust conditioned air at this minimum flow rate. Often, the minimum flow of conditioned air drawn by multiple idle hoods is the limiting factor in reducing the air changes per hour in the labs. That's where SetSafe comes in. SetSafe continuously monitors multiple parameters of hood activity, including sash opening and active use at the hood face, electrical activity at the outlets, alarm signals. SetSafe can be configured to prevent selected hoods from entering eco mode if reducing hood flow would cause the lab to fall below its required minimum air change rate, which is driven by thermal load and occupancy conditions. When all conditions indicate the hood is idle and remains in this state for a predetermined time, typically 1 to 2 hours, SetSafe signals the system to go to the valve minimum flow. This saves heating, cooling, and electrical energy. When the hoods are the limiting factor in reducing air changes per hour, SetSafe is the only technology that allows for the safe reduction of airflow in the lab during extended periods of inactivity, resulting in significant heating and cooling savings, as well as electric savings on the supply fan and, potentially, the exhaust fans. With Eco Mode enabled, the ventilation system operates more efficiently, reducing energy use while still maintaining all necessary safety standards. And the moment activity is detected, the sash moves or equipment activates. SetSafe instantly restores full airflow, just like a traditional VAV hood. Good sash management is important. Researchers, understandably focused on their work, often leave the sash open, unnecessarily wasting energy. And a closed sash is one of the criteria for a hood to be considered idle. SetSafe has an audible notification, like a refrigerator door. It gently reminds the researcher to close the hood when the sash is left open. It is configurable and, for example, can be set to increase in volume until the sash is closed. The results are dramatic savings, with the fume hoods automatically ready for full functionality when in use. Measured Air Performance also has solutions for constant volume hoods. Please get in touch with us for more information on how Measured Air can work with your lab spaces.